there, and welcome to today's video. If you've been thinking about getting a Brazilian wax but have no idea what to expect, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through everything from preparation to aftercare so you can feel confident about your first appointment. Brazilian waxing is popular for a reason. It leaves skin super smooth, reduces hair regrowth over time, and boosts confidence. But if you're wondering, does it hurt or what if I'm not prepared? Don't stress, we've got all the answers. Let's dive in. The first step, choosing the right salon. Look for great online reviews, licensed professionals, and a clean, hygienic environment. When scheduling, avoid booking right before your period. Skin is extra sensitive then. Also, choose a day when you can relax afterward. And what should you wear? Loose clothing and breathable underwear are your best friends to avoid irritation post-wax. So, what happens during the waxing session? First, your esthetician will do a quick consultation. They'll ask about allergies or concerns. Then, the waxing begins. Here's how it works. First, warm wax is applied to small sections of hair. Next, a strip is placed over the wax. Finally, the strip is pulled off, quickly removing hair from the root. Yes, it may sting, but it's fast and the discomfort fades quickly. Pro tip, take deep breaths and stay relaxed. It helps. After your wax, proper aftercare is essential. Avoid tight clothing and sweating for at least 24 hours. Keep the area clean and use soothing products like aloe vera or fragrance-free moisturizers. Watch for redness or ingrown hairs. Gently exfoliating after a few days can help prevent them. Follow these steps and your skin will stay soft, smooth, and irritation-free. And that's it. Now you know exactly what to expect from your first Brazilian wax. While the process may seem intimidating at first, the results are totally worth it. Have you had a waxing experience before? Drop a comment below and let us know. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more self-care and beauty tips. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.